Hey y'all, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. It is currently 11:35 and I thought I would take y'all along on a weekend in my life. I have never done like a weekend one of these, but it should hopefully be a somewhat enjoyable weekend. I had a kind of slow start to the morning. I got up and watched F1 qualifying this morning. The Istanbul qualifying was in Turkey this morning. If y'all watch F1, awesome. I'm a big F1 fan. I was able to edit a video, which was nice, and I think I'm gonna go pick my boyfriend up in just a little bit here, and we're gonna go to Panera and study. I have an exam on Wednesday, not just any exam. I have my attitude dynamics final, which is stressing me out just a little bit, and then I also have a really big coding assignment due Thursday. So I have a decent bit of work to do this weekend. I need to go study for my final. You're thinking, a final in October? Yes. I have a few classes, or have had a few classes in the aerospace department that are essentially like 2 mini classes shoved into one. So you'll take your final for the first part in the middle of the semester. You'll switch professors, switch content, and keep going. So I have attitude dynamics that ends on Wednesday with that final, and then I'll have orbital mechanics that starts after that. So everyone says orbital is easier than attitude, so I'm hoping they're right, because attitude took me a few weeks to finally get the hang of. But that is what my weekend has in store. I'm gonna go to Target, maybe go shopping at Lulu, maybe go buy some more plants. I don't really know. I have really been wanting to get out and do something other than studying. I really want to go to Target, because who doesn't love Target? Yeah, let's go. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday. I got up at like 6 and watched the Turkish Grand Prix. I slept through part of it because it was at 6 a.m. and I went to bed at like 1 last night, but I don't have a very exciting day. I am going to work on some videos. I have a lot of homework and exams to study for. I'm gonna go to the gym later, maybe go out to dinner. Should be nice, should be hopefully productive, but I don't know. I'm so exhausted and sick of studying, but I have a lot to get done and prep for this week, so let's hope today can be somewhat enjoyable. I made some coffee this morning and threw that in the freezer, so it'll hopefully cool a little bit faster, and then I kind of want to go get Starbucks later, but we'll see. I didn't have coffee yesterday. I normally get Starbucks on the weekends, so we'll see. We'll see how much self-control Video all prepped and set. I went and checked the mail and I'm gonna sit down and try to start some homework. I still have 2 of my pre-lectures for my electronics class to watch for the week, and then I have to do the pre-lab for that, so it's like my least favorite thing to do every week, but I gotta get it done. As y'all saw, my boyfriend and I went to Starbucks and studied for a long time. We came home, made some pasta, I had a meeting, and now I'm going to show y'all what I got at Target yesterday. I didn't get a ton, but I thought you might want to see anyways. So I have become such a plant girl. I probably have like 14 plants now, and they had these super cute little plant socks at Target. If y'all can see, look, so it says no such thing as too many plants. So cute. I love crew height socks like these, especially for the barn with my boots. And then I also got some cactus ones. I needed some more mascara, and I love the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom, especially the waterproof one. They didn't have the waterproof one, but I got just the regular one just because I have been using the one in the purple tube and I don't like it quite as much, and that one's running out. So I grabbed this one and I'm excited to try out the not waterproof version because I haven't had the normal version in years. I also needed some more face wash. This is just the Clean and Clear Continuous Control Acne Cleanser. I love this stuff. My skin reacts really well to it. I've been using it for quite some time. And if you have tried salicylic acid and it hasn't worked that well in your skin, maybe try this one because it is benzoyl peroxide and helps my skin more than salicylic acid does. And I had to get some snacks, so I got some of these Tate's Bake Shop chocolate chip cookies. Y'all, these are dangerous. They're so good. I love these, and these are a perfect little snack if I'm feeling lazy and don't want to make cookies. And then I also got some apple chips because these are my new obsession. They're so, I mean, like relatively healthy. They're super crunchy, super delicious, and the only ingredient is apples, so it's a great little snack when I want something crunchy and sweet without eating like candy or chips, something like that. So these are something I've been loving lately, and they're kind of expensive, but they're so worth it. I am now gonna, I don't know, I might watch some YouTube, I might work more on some homework. It's only like 7:30, but I kind of want to try to go to bed early because I have a busy week, so I'm already kind of tired, but I'm gonna try to be a little bit more productive.